Hi and welcome into this new video. Today I'm sharing my Copycat Starbucks egg bites. They're amazing for meal prep. They're cheesy, they're high in protein, easy to make, so please guys don't forget to like and subscribe. My name is Mistura. I'm holistic nutritionist and holistic practitioner, and on my YouTube channel I only share recipe to help you guys build muscles, lose body fat. All my recipe is to show you that you can keep enjoying the food that you love even though you have some health and wellness goal. This recipe is the Starbucks Copycat egg bites that I'm sharing today, and this recipe is amazing because it's gonna save you time and money. Time because you can make it in advance and eat it all through the week. It's high in protein and it saves you money because you don't have to go and buy them from Starbucks. So all the ingredients that I did use will be on the description box below. You also get my ebooks, my books, my coaching programs, and my free guide to help you guys build a healthy plate. So go and check everything on the description box below. And if you do like this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe. And let's start with this Starbucks Copycat egg bite recipe. So for this recipe you will need half of cup of low-fat cottage cheese, 1.5 cup of mushrooms, sliced mushrooms. I use white bottom mushrooms I used, and then 3 cup of arugula, but you can use kale, spinach, any kind of greens you want, and 8 large eggs as well. Some Swiss cheese, around, I would say 28 grams, 1-2 ounces of cheese, and also some salt and pepper. First step for this recipe is to cook our mushrooms. So in a heated pan I'm adding my mushrooms and I'm gonna cook them for like 5-6 minutes. And what we want is all the water out of the mushroom is to come out. Just as you see in the video, the mushrooms did release a lot of water. Then once my mushrooms are cooked, I'm adding my arugula and I'm gonna mix both together and then cook them for like 3 more minutes. And what we want is the arugula to soften, so I also add some salt. I mix them one more time until the arugula is soft, just like this. So once everything is cooked and softened, I'm gonna add them into my food processor, and I just want them to be into smaller pieces. I don't want them to be smooth. So what I do, I just gonna pulse them. I just gonna pulse my food processor for a few seconds. This is how we want them to be. We don't want them to be smooth or too liquidy. We still want some texture. So I'm just gonna set that aside, and then I'm gonna do my eggs. So in my food processor I'm cracking off my 8 eggs, and I'm gonna blend them together. The eggs, we want the eggs to be well blended, really smooth. So once I'm done with my eggs, I'm gonna add my cottage cheese. So I'm adding the cottage cheese and I'm gonna blend the cottage cheese and the eggs together. Now I'm adding my cheese and I'm just gonna blend them for like 5 seconds max, just a little bit. And then I'm cracking my pepper on top, and I'm just gonna blend a little bit one more time. And then into my muffin pan, on the bottom I'm adding my mushrooms and arugula mixture. And then on top of that I'm adding my eggs and cottage cheese blended together. That's totally optional, but I add a little bit of salt on top, and I also add some extra pepper. And I put my muffin pan into another oven dish, and I add water on the bottom. You can either do as I did, or you just put your muffin pan in the oven, and just next to that you put like a oven dish bowl with a little bit of water, and then it's going in the oven at 350 for 20-25 minutes. I just remove it out of the oven, I let it set for rest for a little bit, and this is how it came out. Really nicely, yummy, fluffy, and everything hold together. So I put it into a plate, or I put it into a airtight container and leave it in my fridge. Then I can have all during the week for breakfast. So that's a good idea for meal prep. They're amazing, they hold well together, and they're yummy. So I hope you guys gonna try this recipe. So this is the end of this video. I hope you guys did love and enjoy it, and you're gonna make it at home to save time and money. You don't have to use arugula. You can use spinach, kale, romaine, any kind of greens you have at home, and depending of your preferences as well. So I did use mushrooms, but you can also use any kind of you can use meat, you can use beef, ground turkey. Just be creative with the egg bites. You can change the recipes every week if you want to meal prep them every weeks. Everything that I use, all the ingredients are on the description box below. I did use low fat cottage cheese, but you can use full fat cottage cheese as well. It works really well. For the cheese, I did use some Swiss cheese, but you can use cheddar, I don't know, whatever cheese you want. So be creative, put it at your own. So everything will be on the description box below anyway. You also get my kitchen programs, my ebooks available, and my free guides that I make for you guys to help you build a healthy plate. If you do like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm gonna see you guys again for next video. Bye.